Returning to wealthy coins, howdy everyone! The price of Shiba Inus is going to explode soon because Samsung just invested in them. Modern Shiba Inu headlines. Among the most well-known cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu ranks second in value, only behind Dogecoin, the most valued meme coin. The Shiba Inu, whose real name is Ryoshi, was developed in secret in August of 2020. With its charming personality, Shiba has quickly gained a following of investors and a solid reputation in the industry since its release. In addition to its endearing personality, Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, had a role in the Shiba Inu's meteoric climb to fame by giving nearly $1 billion SHIB to a relief fund for the Indian COVID-19 pandemic. This video will discuss the recent investment in Shiba Inus made by Samsung. Price is going to go through the roof in the near future. Modern Shiba Inu headlines. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. A new card game called Shiba Eternity was published earlier this month by Shiba Inu. In the game, players have the option to select from a pool of 10,000 Shiboshi heroes and 500 collector cards. More than 100,000 Android users have downloaded Shiba Eternity, and the game has an average rating of 0.6 based on 11,500 reviews. The Shiba Inu stock price has been falling steadily since May 2022. There were a few instances where it showed slight improvements, but that wasn't enough to make investors very happy. Shiba Inu's decline has been spectacular. On October 28, 2021, Greek reached a high of $45 USD coin market cap statistics shows that the price of SHIB is $0.120 USD, which is 87.2% below the all-time high. The price of SHIB has dropped significantly during the last 4 months, despite the fact that it was up for most of 2022 until April. During the 2021 crypto boom, the Shiba Inu coin, which had a duck motif, was thought to be the next great thing. This meme coin attracted a lot of investors due to its cheap costs and huge speculations. When crypto markets began to feel the heat of uncertainties in the global financial meltdown in May 2022, however, the weakness of SHIB tokens was exposed. The quick decline in the token price was caused by SHIB investors selling their holdings when the crypto market plummeted. For many who were too late to profit from Dogecoin, the Shiba Inu team's marketing of SHIB tokens as the cryptocurrency's logical successor struck a chord. Tokens like Leash and Bone, as well as Shiboshi's NFTs and the Shiba Swap exchange, are all part of an ecosystem that the developers have attempted to build around the SHIB token. You can now pay for your Netflix membership and Amazon purchases with any of the SHIB tokens in the SHIB ecosystem. Also, you can use SHIB Bone or Leash tokens to purchase with the FCF Purchase Visa card. This card is compatible with Amazon and Netflix. Recently, FCFP, a crypto payment gateway established in Canada, announced that its customers could use their crypto cards to subscribe to Netflix and purchase goods and services on Amazon, as well as watch award-winning documentaries, TV series, movies, and anime. Payments will go through, according to FCFP, once customers have enough crypto tokens to cover their desired amounts. 3 months ago, FCFP began accepting payments with SHIB Bone and Leash tokens as mentioned above. After the listing, these 3 SHIB ecosystem tokens began to be accepted as payment methods by more than 5 million online stores in 195 countries. Every day, more and more people are starting to use SHIB. Donations of SHIB tokens can now be accepted at Virunga National Park, the oldest animal park in Africa, thanks to a partnership with leading digital fundraising platform, The Giving Back. In a previous partnership, BitPay and SayPSE, a software company based in Germany that specializes in enterprise apps, allowed SayPSE's employees to get a portion of their compensation in SayShib tokens. Additionally, BlueSnap, a worldwide payments company, just teamed with BitPay to begin accepting Say payments. Shiba Inu was ranked second as far as crypto projects go earlier this week by Surtech. Crypto security platform Polygon was placed first. At the same time, information from Etherscan. It shows that the 7th largest Shiba whale purchased 96.74 billion SHIB tokens all at once. This leading Shiba Inu whale has been buying a ton of SHIB tokens over the last week, according to the statistics. Between last Thursday and today, the top Shiba investor added over 322 billion SHIB tokens, worth about $31.9 million, to his wallet through 9 separate transactions. In a single transaction last Thursday, the whale acquired 131.63 billion SHIB tokens, valued at roughly $1.4 million, making it his largest purchase to date. When you include in these additional holdings, this SHIB whale now possesses 15.63 trillion SHIB tokens, which are worth approximately 155 million. Similarly, the most prominent blockchain analytics company WellStats disclosed on Twitter that the top 500 Ethereum whales continue to possess the most SHIB tokens. The price of SHIBs has not reflected this excellent news regarding Shiba Inu. The meme-themed token's price has dropped 2.48% in the past 24 hours and 7.33% in the past week. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency now has a euro trading pair on Bitpanda, an Austrian cryptocurrency exchange supported by Peter Thiel, co-founder of PayPal. Last Thursday, the business made the announcement. At this time, the SHIB's euro pair is just trading replies. The trading window will open to the public on November 19. Investors in Shiba Inu can now use Binance, Coinbase, and Bitvavo to buy and sell cryptocurrencies against the euro. Today stated that in the beginning of November, Coinbase Pro added additional Shiba Inu fiat trading pairs. The second largest meme coin originally received support from Bitpanda in early October, prior to the cryptocurrency's massive climb last month. Bitpanda is now worth 4.1 billion. Investors can put their money into crypto, precious metals, stocks, and exchange-traded funds ETFs at the Vienna-based firm. It goes up against services like Revolut and eToro. CoinGate, a payment processor, and Keyless Wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet, have both integrated Shiba Inu this week. Among prominent altcoins, Memecoin has fallen more than 8% in the last 24 hours, despite rising acceptance. After falling below 59,000, Bitcoin has continued to put pressure on the whole cryptocurrency market. At their developer conference this year, Samsung will unveil their new Knox Matrix security system, which will make all of their devices more secure. A security platform called the Samsung Knox Matrix will be built using blockchain technology, according to the top smartphone manufacturer. The security platform is capable of providing defense-grade security, which is utilized by top government agencies globally. Samsung maintains that as soon as we link our devices to the internet, our data becomes vulnerable to hackers, regardless of how flawless the ecosystem has made our experience. The Samsung Knox Matrix can serve as a private blockchain for the user, which will alleviate this problem. From cell phones to televisions to air conditioners, it'll be compatible with every Samsung product, so that the security feature can be easily integrated into any operating system on Samsung devices. The platform will offer a universal software development kit. Additional details on the functionality of the blockchain-based security protocol have not been disclosed by Samsung. Nonetheless, keeping a careful eye is something that the community finds intriguing. Additionally, they are excited to see how other smartphone manufacturers implement blockchain technology. As October progresses, the market value of the Shiba Inu keeps falling, making it a challenging digital asset to own. There is little reason to think the downturn is about to end, as the bulls have lost support from the $0,000 and $1,000 support level. The market lost 6% in the third week of trading in October due to the bears. On Sunday, October 9, the bears rejected the 8-day exponential moving average, which triggered the price decline. At this time, the Shiba Inu is going for 989 at auction. After two counter-trend retaliations, the relative strength index has created a bearish divergence and is back in oversold territory. Technical analysis suggests that SIB investors may be in for a rough ride. At $0.750, you can find bearish targets. A break into $0.700 is highly probable if present levels do not hold. A 30% drop would be the outcome of this action. If the bulls re-hurdle the $0.140 liquidity zone, the bearish argument could be invalidated. If prices break out above the previous resistance level, it might set off a counter-trend rally that heads toward the 21-day simple moving average,